Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to create your page in the first language. Okay, so now that you want to create a different language website, you need to duplicate the page. Okay, because all you need to do is change the content, right? So before you duplicate that page, I would like to note that it's extremely important to make sure that your page is responsive. Why? Because if, let's say, you're duplicating a page and it's not responsive, then it's double the work, and this is not something that you want to do. So first of all, if, let's say, right now we're working on an English page, okay, English version of the page, let's make it responsive first, and then when we want to make it when we want to make our website multilingual, then we duplicate that page. Okay, so duplicate that page only when you finish making it responsive. Then all you need to do is translate the content. Okay, so this is basically the distribution model. This is how it works. It's as simple as that. Okay, so I would like to show you the website that I have here. There you go. So I'm just going to publish this. Also, I'm going to send it to you. It's the same one that I always send to you. I'm just going to paste it here so that everybody can get it. Go ahead. Now, in this website, you're going to see on the top right-hand side, if you go on language, you have English, French, Français, or Spanish, for Español. If you click on Français, you're going to see that my whole content, by the way, I also speak French, the whole content of my website is translated, well, most of the content is translated in French, okay? So I'm literally changing languages. And you can also see that my menu also has changed, okay? And I'm also going to show you how to do that. All right, so this is English. If I go to language, I go to Français. So I have everything in French as planned. If I go to Español, I have everything in Spanish as well as my menu. Okay, and this is exactly what I'm going to teach you on how to actually do what I just did. Okay. All right, so step one, what we want to do is that we want to create sort of a folder. And inside the folder, we want to put all of our second language stuff, right? So step one, creating a menu. Okay, in other words, this is basically creating a menu. Okay, so since you'll be duplicating the page, you need to store these pages somewhere. Okay, like in a Weby'nar folder that you also call as a menu. So how do we do that? So number one, we go on our platform. Okay, we're gonna go on pages. Okay, we're gonna press. You see that icon here, add new menu. You're gonna click that. Okay, this menu 7, I'm gonna call it. Sorry, I'm gonna call it French. You can call it Français. You can call it whatever language you want. Okay, or French test. There you go. And you're gonna see that it updates on itself. Okay, so how to do that? How to create a new menu? You go to pages. You select the plus sign and you name your menu. Example French, like I just did with you guys, French test. Next, what you want to do, you want to duplicate the page, the home page. So what you're going to do, you're going to go here. Again, you don't exit this pop-up. Duplicate, and you're going to see that the page goes straight down here. And then, which is step 3, you're going to click on settings, and you see included in top menu, these are all your menus. These are all your, let's say, folders, and you're going to transfer it to French test. And you're going to click OK. And suddenly what happens is that in this top menu, the home page that you duplicated disappeared. Where is it now? It's on the French test. Okay, so let's go back so that you can also see my cheat sheet. So step 2 would be duplicating the pages, exactly what we just did right now. Okay, so the steps is go to pages of your studio, place your mouse over the page name, select the duplicate icon, and it's going to duplicate and put itself at the bottom. Then step 3 would be transferring the duplicated page. So let's transfer every duplicated page to the menu. To do that, you go to, again, to the Pages tab of your studio, place your mouse over the page name, select the settings icon and go to included in, I included a picture, and select the menu that you previously created, and then click OK. And this is exactly what we just did right now.